Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a text box to your Wix website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. It is very easy and quick to do and you'll have no problems doing it. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Wix.com website and log into your account. So guys, after logging into your account, you want to access your dashboard of your website. So after doing that, as you can see, we are currently in our dashboard. We want to open up our site in edit mode. And we are going to do that by clicking this button right here in the upper right corner called edit site. So guys, go ahead and click on that button right there. And as you can see here guys, now this will open up our site in editorial mode in a new tab. And guys, you will know you're in edit mode by all the options on the left side of the screen that enable you to edit your website that you can see right here. So guys, how do we add a text box? So guys, all you want to do is go ahead and click on this first option right here, this plus sign called add elements. Click on that guys, you can see you can add a lot of new elements to your site, but we'll click the first option right here which is called text. So guys, you can just choose if you want to add normal text, if you want to add titles, or if you want to add paragraphs. So guys, let's say we want to add a theme text. You can select any option here that you want, any size, any font. You can change that later, don't worry. Let's say we want to add this heading right here. Go ahead and type in something, let's say tutorials number 2. So guys, after typing in that, you'll just go ahead and drag that wherever you want the text to be. Let's say we want it right here. And now, after doing that guys, you can go ahead and click on the text and click on this button under it called edit text. So guys, after clicking on edit text, you can see here, you can change the theme, you can change your font, you can change your font size, your color, and so on and so on. So after doing that guys, and you're satisfied, just leave it where you want, and that's how you add a text box to your Wix site. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.